Hi guys, welcome back to KhanZadi Art, your creative corner for all things art and dye. Have you ever opened your paint box excited to create and found your poster colors dried up and hard as a rock? Don't worry, today I will show you how to revive them using only a special ingredient, no acrylics, no fancy tools, just a special ingredient and a little patience. When you open your dry poster color bottle, you will often see a black, thick crust or a hardened layer on top. This is totally normal. It's just dried pigment and an air exposure. So first we are going to gently scrape off that top black layer using a spoon, knife or a back of a brush or anything you have. So I'm going to use this tool. After scraping, add clean water into the bottle with the help of the dropper, syringe or anything you have. You can directly add with the glass. So after adding enough water, cover the remaining dry paint, and I'm using the dropper. So don't stir it, just close the bottle and shake it. You're done with all your bottles after adding the water, so leave these bottles at least 5 to 6 hours or overnight if possible. So this gives the water time to soften the dry paint naturally, so no need to mix right away. Now that it's softened, it's time to stir it up. Come gently and with a lady hand, not too much hard to break the bottle. So when you stir it up, I'll try to mix with water in the paint completely. After mixing completely paint and water, look, it's so smooth now and creamy and ready to use again. So let's try on the paper. Yes, it's working very nice and it's worked perfectly just like new. As you can see, it's working perfectly and the color is smooth, rich, just as vibrant as a fresh paint. And the best part is you saved your art supplies instead of throwing them away. Hope you like this new trick. More thing, if you want to prevent your pens from drying out again, always seal the bottle tightly, clean the brush before dipping, and store your pen in a cool and a dry place. And that's it for today. You just save your dry pens with only water, no waste and no stress. If this video helped you, give it a like, drop a comment below, and subscribe to KhanZadi Art for more art and craft video and creative hacks. Thanks for watching and keep creating with love. Bye bye. See you and Allah Hafiz.